Gardening is all about experimenting. So here I have 2 orange mint plants, both from the same source, both the same age, both with the same potting soil and the same size pot. And what I'm doing with these two is I trimmed this one. I trimmed all the dead stuff back. This one I did not. As you can see, it's still growing up. They both have new growth, but this one is not trimmed and this one is. And I've grown mint before and not really experimented on it, but this time I got 2 very similar, well, identical plants, and people will say, oh, you should prune your mint. You'll get, better mint and more of it sooner and faster. And then some people say, don't trim your mint. It's, a misconception. You'll get more if you don't. So that's why gardening, it's best to experiment on your own, because you never know what you can believe until you actually experience it yourself. Until you experience it, they're just ideas and thoughts that somebody else said, somebody else's experience that could be true or not true, or under conditions that could have been right for them but will be wrong for you, depending on, soil and weather and variety of the plant. So we will see which one does better, trimmed or not trimmed. My orange experiment